So students, let us continue with our division chapter. Here is a prime factorization. Prime means you know, right? The number which is not multiple of any other tables. So 36 is not a prime number, but we have to find the prime factorization for 36. That is, using a prime numbers, we have to solve this 36. So first, whichever number, so 18 2s are, 2 is a prime number, 18 2s are 36 we get. Again 9 2s are 18 we get. Again 3 3s are 9 we get. So here by solving you have to take, I am carrying this 2 till the end because we need the prime factor at the end. So now just see 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. Just we can multiply in the mind whatever number we are getting. So 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 2s are 36. We got right? I repeat once again, 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 2s are 36. Here 2, 2, 3, 3 all prime numbers. The numbers which is not a multiple of any other tables. So by just multiplying these prime numbers we get 36. Okay, this is how we have to draw the prime factorization tree. So here 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 we get 36. So I hope you understood this. Let us move to the next problem. So here is the next question we have. Let us now find the HCF of two numbers using prime factorization. So we have to find out the HCF of a given two numbers. So these two numbers we have to get just the prime numbers. Okay. So to write the prime numbers, let us start with 2 into 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So finally 16 3s are 48. Right? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 16 3s are 48. So all numbers are prime numbers. Same way for 54 also. See, 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 3s are 54. Okay. So we know 18 3s are 54. To convert 18 as a prime factor, we have to use the 2 or 3, even 5 also you can use. Okay, so here you can see the common factor 2, 2, 3, 3. So here 3 is 3 times, but here only 1 time. But here is a 2 is a repetition of 4 times, but here 1 time. So we have 2 into 3, 6. So here 6 is the HCF of 48 and 54. Have you understood? Here we have to find out the LCM for prime factorization. For 18, let us start with 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. This is a prime factorization of 18. For 24, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Okay. So for in HCF we are taking the common factors and we have calculating as a highest. But in HCF what you have to do, you have to write first the common multiple 2, so 3. Again left out numbers, again 2 into 2 into 3. All the multiples you have to write in the LCM. Now multiply. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 3s are 72. So 72 is the LCM of prime factorization, LCM of 18 and 24. So I hope you understood this. Let us solve our last sum. Let us see how we have to solve for three numbers. Okay. So prime factorization of 14 is 2 into 7, where 7 and 2 are the prime numbers. Again for 28, 2 into 7 into 2. 2 7s are 14, 14 2s are 28. Okay. For 35, 5 into 7. 5 7s are 35. Here you can see the common number present in three numbers is 7. So HCF is 7. Okay. So for LCM, what you have to do, you have to write all the numbers and you have to multiply, and finally you have to write the answer whichever you get. But in HCF, just write the common multiple whichever present in both the three numbers or two numbers whichever asked in the question. So I hope you understood this lesson. So if you have any doubt, ask in the group. So let us sort out that. So practice more whatever I am teaching. Whichever you are not understanding, ask me. We will solve once again and we will sort out it. So thank you so much for watching the video.